Hello, my good friends. I was noticing on social media, specifically on Twitter, that VWAP was trending, and I wanted to show you once again an advantage of using the Trade Ideas technology. Notice that we track VWAP in real time, and we can let you know when a company is crossing above or below the VWAP, and of course, you can specify the percentages. So here I am clicking on some things that are crossing below the VWAP. And this is what it looks like. This is the 5-minute chart and the daily. And the idea is that, of course, you can quickly isolate things that are moving in one direction or another and decide if you want to pull the trigger and make a trade. Who else shows this information to you like this? Is there any other vendor that can show you when a stock is crossing above or below the VWAP as it takes place? That's the question you need to ask yourself. And we do this with lots of other indicators as well. But of course, VWAP, because it's trending, is one of the ones that I'm showcasing here. So this is what it looks like. Just wanted you to see it. Please visit us at www.trade-ideas.com. We have an incredible promotion that's running right now where you get 5 months of trade ideas for free. Come visit us and take advantage. Thank you.